everyone, I'm Trisha and I'm here today on behalf of the Foothills Community Art Project. Thank you for joining me and helping to decorate our new building. Let's take a look at your art kit and review some simple steps in creating a composition for this project. Okay, in your kit, you're going to find that you have an artist planning sheet, you have a pencil for organizing your ideas, paper for your final project, and your very own set of oil pastels to help brighten your design. Now, every artist begins with an idea and they work with that idea to improve it to be just what they want. So you've been given this artist planning sheet so that you can organize your ideas to create just what you want. So let's take a look. Today's project is going to be focusing on creating an image to identify what community looks like to you. So, with community as our theme for an idea, we need to define what community is. You'll notice here, there's a definition. So if you'll follow along while I read it, community unites us. It makes us feel we are part of something greater than ourselves. It gives us a place to feel safe and an opportunity to connect with people. So my question to you is, who are the people in your community? That's the first thing you need to ask yourself. Who are the people in my community? When you know who the people are in your community, we're going to move into step number 1 here on the page. Step number 1 says you're going to make a list of the following. In what ways do people in your community A, work together? So if you can write down a couple ways that you can think of that people in your community work together, please do so. Which ways do people in your community B, have fun together? And in C, which ways do people in your community help one another? See if you can come up with more than one way. You can always ask for someone else's opinion to help you fill in the blanks. When you're finished with step number 1, take a few minutes to do that, and I'll be back to go over step number 2. Step number 2. So, using the information that you've gathered at the top, I want you to circle your favorite idea for letter A, letter B, and letter C. In each of these boxes here, these are what we call thumbnail sketches. They're smaller versions of the larger piece of paper that you're going to be working on. A thumbnail sketch helps you organize your ideas and place your objects where you think you might want them. Then you can look at them, review, and say, you know, that doesn't really look so good. Let me try it again. So, from letter A, working together, my example was to pick up trash. You'll notice here that I turned my paper vertically so that I could put trash can and then the words recycle, trash, and compost. This is the idea that I had for my letter A, working together. Letter B, having fun together, I selected a picnic. In this composition, which I held my page horizontally, I decided to draw a little space where I'd have a picnic on a grass. And letter C, helping one another, I put down planting a garden. So here is my third example, letter C, and helping one another. The food can then be used to help people eat. Once you've combined and collected your ideas through a picture image, the next step, number 3, is for you to choose your favorite one. Step number 3, choose your best design for your final oil pastel composition. Before you begin, you want to make sure you have something down on your table to protect your table. And whichever design you've selected, think about which way you want to hold your paper, vertically or horizontally. So I've decided that I am going to do letter C, helping one another by planting a garden. So, as I set up my design, complete it with oil pastels. Once my composition is complete, I'm going to put my name, my phone number or email so that it can be returned, your age if you like, And I'd like for you to name it. Give it a title. This one is entitled A Rabbit's Paradise. When you're finished with the composition, please turn it in. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new home of the Foothills Food Bank. We have this amazing structure that has been completed, and we're gonna take a little tour inside to see where our artwork will be placed on display. As we enter in, there will be cubby holes here on each side for people to place their things. Artwork will be on display there. And as we enter in to this magnificent space, you can see that we need some artwork to help bring some color into the space and make people feel more welcome as they gather the things that they need. So, hopefully you can get creating.